इमरान हुसैन को सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं। इमरान हुसैन ने हमेशा हमारी कम्युनिटी के लिए NHS के लिए बेनिफिट्स की प्रॉब्लम है, NHS की प्रॉब्लम है, और उसके अलावा जितने भी मतलब के आपकी मुश्किलात हैं, जॉब सेंटर्स की प्रॉब्लम है, उसके अलावा मतलब के जो है कश्मीर के लिए, फिलिस्तीन के लिए इमरान हुसैन ने आवाज़ दी है। और जितनी भी पाकिस्तानी कम्युनिटी हमारी है वो पूरी फुल सपोर्ट के साथ इमरान हुसैन को सपोर्ट करें और इंशाअल्लाह इमरान हुसैन को कामयाब करें, क्योंकि इमरान हुसैन हमेशा जो है उसने पार्लियामेंट में आवाज़ बुलंद की है और दिलेरी के साथ बात की है।
Leeds is your second favourite place, but your favourite place has to be Bradford. And it's fantastic to see the leader of Bradford Labour Council here as well, who's done such a good job in the face of 14 years of Conservative cuts. The reason I'm here today is because I'm proud
for this event as well. I was in Coventry just before I came here for a door knocking session, and I had my raincoat ready, and it has been one of those elections. So I just want to thank you all for being here. I want to thank Imran for inviting me. And you know, it's an election campaign. I got elected with a 401 majority last time. So when Imran rang and said, "Can you come to Bradford to support me?" I was like, absolutely. And that's why I'm here, because it's so important.
And good afternoon. I'm very grateful to Gazanfar Khalik for hosting this event today. And can I firstly thank my two colleagues who stand to my left and to my right. Actually, probably both stand to my left. And I want to thank them, Richard Bergen and Zara, to support me, and I'm grateful to you for that. And the reason hundreds have come out on one call is this: Imran Hussain is part of the people of Bradford, and the people of Bradford are part of Imran Hussain. Yay! And I again today come to you with no empty promises. I come to you again with a proven track record of delivery. I've worked tirelessly of the most principled, most effective, most outspoken against injustice voices that those corridors of power have ever seen. Please give them a Bradford welcome. Secondly, my absolute thanks goes to each and every one of you here today. I decided yesterday to launch my election campaign, and alhamdulillah, in a period of 24 hours, hundreds. The non-invasive post-mortem facility, the only publicly owned, free use non-invasive post-mortem facility in Bradford. This is a journey Imran Hussain started over a decade ago. Or whether that's extending burial plots. A lot of this work I never advertise. मैंने कभी advertise नहीं किया है. लेकिन dignity in death is something that is one of the most important things for me. और मेरा वादा है न सिर्फ ब्रैडफोर्ड के अवाम के लिए, आप मुझे दोबारा इंशाल्लाह मेरी आवाज भेजेंगे, पूरे मुल्क में हम नॉन इन्वेसिव पोस्टमार्टम की फैसिलिटी करेंगे. मिट्टी से मिट्टी होकर पिछले 9 साल में आपका I have worked as a humble servant of the people, because that is what I am. And whether I'm proud that I have been the most accessible MP. मुझे वो वक्त याद है कि MP को मिलने के लिए I was deputy leader of the council. To see an MP, it used to take me 3 to 4 days.